Are we live? Just a sec. Are we live? Yeah, we live. Yeah, we are live. Okay. Just a sec. Just a sec, guys. Okay, I'll just check. Are we live or not? Okay. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to the stream. If you are new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build a SaaS. And this is day, just a sec, where is it? This is day 26 of that. This is day 26 of building my SaaS. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. Okay.
I'm Professor Idris, and welcome to Service.
All right. All right. So let's get started now. First, I need to start my Docker. Obviously, it's my Docker. I hope I'm audible. Okay. So first we have to start. So today the target is we have to implement the dark mode. Today we'll implement the dark mode. So that's the main goal for today. So first I need to go here and docker ps -a. Okay. Then we have docker start redis server started. Okay, so hello Zidwao, welcome to the stream. Samj Kaj, hello Samj, welcome to the stream. Bro, do you believe that you will make $1 million from your tool? Yes, I do believe. Tap Fusion, I'm first by. Hello Tap Fusion, welcome back to the stream. Okay, so Docker server has started. Okay, Redis server has started. Now if I come here and cd backend, and here we do npm run dev, then cd backend npm run worker dev. Worker has started, and then we do. भाई आज से मैंने जीके की बुक खरीदी है और अब कॉलेज स्टार्ट होना जाए तो तब जीके की बुक की रीडिंग करूँगा, नॉलेज गेन कर लूँगा. सही है ना? सही है. टाइप फ्यूजन. ओके, सो फ्रंट एंड स्टार्टेड. ओके, not this one. cd dot cd backend npm run dev. भैया मॉर्न इंटरव्यू के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स क्या है भैया? मॉर्न इंटरव्यूज के लिए फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड जावास्क्रिप्ट प्रॉपर्ली, then you need to go into MongoDB database. You need to know it really well because they ask a lot of question on that. Then you need to understand Express, basic controllers, how to write controllers, routes, authentication, middlewares. Zidwa, bro, what? टैप फ्यूजन भाई, अब तो IPL से ज़्यादा आपकी स्ट्रीम का वेट करता हूँ. थैंक्स टैप फ्यूजन, थैंक्स अ लॉट. Zidwa message retracted. Okay, so this has started, and guys, do let me know if I'm audible or not. Okay, so we are here and Excalibur. Bro, what's your timetable these days? My timetable is I wake up at around 9 o'clock. Then I, first I take a shower, then I have breakfast because I've started having breakfast again. Then after breakfast I start working. If I have one-on-one calls, I take calls, or else I like work on if I have freelancing projects, I work on that. And right currently like I'm trying to learn deep learning during my daytime, and then I go to gym. Like after I have lunch, then I go to gym, then I work out at gym for around 1.5 hours or 2 hours, then I come back, and then after that like then I spend evening with my family, then I start working. अभिषेक कुमार सिंह, भैया आप किस रिसोर्स से पढ़े हैं? आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बीटेक फ्रॉम सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड फॉर जावा फॉर मर्न स्टैक चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल. Pari developing. Voice is not coming. Guys, am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible or not? Do let me know. Just a sec, I'll check. Okay, I'm audible. Am I audible, guys? Yes, bhaiya. Okay, okay, fine. I'm audible. It's unknown 21. Thanks, unknown. Thanks, social butterfly. Abhishek Kumar Singh. Yes, okay. Thanks, guys. Rishikesh, आप कहाँ से हो? I'm from West Bengal, India. So we have this again. It's unknown 21. By watching you, I also started building something. That's great, unknown. It's unknown. That's great. Just stay consistent and do it every single day. Test user. By the way, we have refactored the UI, and this is how the UI looks right now. This is the login. This is the register page, and this is the login page. So now, if I log in, that Fusion, yes, bhai, you are audible to us, but I'm sure your app will be audible to every citizen of this country. Hope for this, for the best for yours. Thanks, Stat Fusion. Thanks a lot. Not coming. Why is my voice not coming? Okay, it's coming. Okay, I think there's something wrong with Pari developing. You need to fix your audio or something, because from my side it's coming. Right, guys? Am I audible? Yeah. Ayan Khan. Hello. Hello, Ayan Khan. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Okay. So we have refactored the UI yesterday, and this is how the UI looks. This is the organization side. Voice is coming. Okay. Okay. What's the link of this website? Basically, I am building. This is still in the development phase. Once I deploy this, I'll share the link. Athara, okay. Okay. Tag Fusion. Ayan Khan. Hi. Okay. Viraj Patel. Welcome to the stream, Viraj. So now we have this services availability. This is how the UI looks right now. Now today's target is to implement the night mode. We have to implement that dark mode basically. So hold on. If I come here and do this, yep, we have this. This we have done. Now add dark mode and light mode. Okay, fine. That's the target for today. Tag Vision. Where is Viraj Patel? Okay. Your voice is crystal clear. Thanks. Thanks, Sam. Samj Khaj. Thanks, man. Tag Vision. Viraj Patel नाम का बंदा आता है आपकी स्ट्रीम के. अब नहीं आता क्या वो? अभी तो आया था विराज पटेल. वो मैसेज रिट्रैक्ट कर चुका है. Which app you are making these notes in? It's called Excalidraw. It's called Excalidraw. Joker Phoenix. Hello, bro. Hello, Joker Phoenix. Welcome back to the stream. Okay, so now I need to add the dark mode, right? So for this, let's go to Next.js documentation, because I need to see how to do that. Next.js documentation, and here we have this. Okay, metadata, error handling, image optimization, font optimization, proxy. 3 months unpaid internship, Stack offline company. Should I go or wait for another opportunity? Do you have any other? If you don't have any other opportunity, I would suggest you to go for it. If you have any other opportunity, then wait. Tag Fusion. भाई कोई ऐप या गेम बनाने से पहले एक चार्ट बनाना चाहिए क्या? एक chart. Yeah, you should plan your app as much as you can before you start developing it. So we have this, and here we need in turbo pack. What is there? Turbo pack is an incremental bundler. Okay. अभिषेक कुमार सिंह, भैया पाइथन से बैकएंड करने का सोच रहा हूँ, कुछ सजेस्ट कर सकते हो? हाँ, पाइथन से बैकएंड यू कैन डू दैट. गो विथ जैंगो और फास्ट एपीआई. Attorney, what's up? What's the goal today? Hello, Attorney. Welcome back to the stream. Today's goal is to implement the dark mode and light mode. Dark mode we have to implement today, so that's what we are trying to do. Okay, so social butterfly. Thank you, भैया. Welcome, social butterfly. Okay, we have just a sec. Theme detection. Okay. Ayan Khan, hold the go. Okay. The Shivam creates. I'm thinking of making a grocery app, also have USP, but how do I check if people want it or not? Okay. The best thing is build a small MVP, with the core features, and then show it to people. इस महीने के एंड तक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा क्या या टाइम? सी डेवलपमेंट पार्ट वी कैन कंप्लीट इट इन नेक्स्ट 2 weeks, बट द मेन इशू इज बिफोर आई रिलीज दिस आई नीड टू गेट माई बिजनेस रजिस्टर्ड एंड आई हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट द पे आउट फीचर. Pravesh, what's the plan for it? Pravesh, the plan is to implement the night and dark mode switch today. Vivek, भाई मैं कौन हूँ पहचाना? Hello Vivek, yes I do remember you Vivek. Welcome back to the stream. Kiran, भाई what is the problem you are solving through this project and you will host it as a startup? Yeah, like it's a normal SaaS, solo founder SaaS. And basically I did market research and I found that there are very like Calendly and all these applications are the competitors of this app, and that's why like we can make it better than them, and we can capture even a small percentage of the market. We can make money with this. That's what I think. अभिषेक, कोई चैनल सजेस्ट कर दो पाइथन बैकएंड के लिए. कोड विथ हैरी. Dikshit Saurabh, hello buddy, yesterday you noticed an issue with the price. Today you also need to work on fixing the issue when the price goes negative. Yes Dikshit, exactly, thanks for reminding. Yes, we have to solve that today. It's unknown. I'm trying to build something like micro SaaS. Okay, nice. Sam Claren, কেমন আছো? ভালো, how are you? তুমি কেমন আছো? Okay, so we have this. Okay. भाई अगर मैं बीटेक सही से कर लूँ तो क्या मैं भी आपकी तरह कोड कर पाऊंगा? क्या एप्स बना? मेरे जैसे कोड करने का कोई बीटेक की भी जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, दैन बीटेक इज नॉट नेसेसरी. बट इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ जॉब देन यू शुड गो फॉर बीटेक. किरण, आई थिंक पाइथन बैकएंड के लिए शेरियंस एआई स्कूल. ओके. प्रवेश, हाँ ब्रो, how to make a system flow for an app and how to plan a feature of an app. Okay. So what I do is I first create the ER diagram, which is called the entity relationship diagram, and these are basically all the tables in my app. These are all the tables in my app, and as you can see, we have user table, organization table, services, and then I create a like how these tables are linked to each other. That's what we mark with this, and with this application, then we know okay what are the controllers we need. So that's how I plan it. Okay, Jordan, let's see the product. Yep, the product is almost ready. If you come here, and this is the dashboard. We have refactored the UI of the dashboard, and this is the organization part. You can create the organization. Then this is the service part, and you can create the service. And this is the availability, where you can add the availability, or you can copy the Monday availability all the other days. And these are the bookings part, where you if there's any booking, you can see the bookings. And just to show the bookings, I'll log in with another user, test user11@gmail.com. We have test user11, and now if I log in, and if you come to organization and you go to availability, these are the availabilities, and these are the bookings, and then Google integration is there. And see, for payouts now we are linking the bank account, and then for the billing part, this billing is there. Now we have what we need to do is we have to add the dark mode. That's what we are doing today. It's unknown. Which DB you used? I used Prisma. मोहम्मद आरिफ, हेलो मोहम्मद आरिफ, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. विवेक, भाई आपकी तरह कोड करने के लिए करना होगा ऐप गोट कोडर हो सच में. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Vivek. Thanks a lot. Sam Claren. Lots of practice and system design knowledge is enough for building programs. Exactly. Okay, Vivek. मैं सच बताऊँ तो भाई आजकल के बीटेक के स्टूडेंट्स को ये नहीं पता कि लिस्ट और डिक्शनरी में डिफरेंस क्या होता है, क्या है, और फिर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इंक्रीज हो जाता है. बट यू आर अ गुड गो. थैंक्स विवेक. प्रवेश, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ योर SaaS एंड आपका SaaS कब तक कंप्लीट होगा? द पर्पस ऑफ द SaaS इज टू make the appointment booking. See, I also take one-on-one calls, so I actually feel the need of this app, right? So that's why I'm building it, and I did market research for this. Calendly and all these other softwares are the competitors for the SaaS. So we are trying to make it better than them, and then like it's all about marketing and making a very good product. That's what matters. Jordan, wow, this looks good. Thanks, Jordan. Kiran, how do you scale it with 1,000 users comes in once? If 1,000 users comes in once, we are like, the issue is that either we have to go for a vertical scaling. For vertical scaling, we can increase the server size, and for horizontal scaling, maybe we can put a load balancer and we can create different instances of the server. And if the load balancer will decide which server the request should go. Okay, Vivek, भाई आपके SaaS का नाम क्या होगा? अभी तो now we have not decided the name. Jordan, did you use ShatCN? Yes, Jordan, I use ShatCN. Sam Claren took an interview once. He said he doesn't know much syntaxes, just ask AI. And then I asked what will use Chire goes down. He said it will use Gemini. That's a good answer, Pravesh. For what thing is your SaaS? Bro, आपको AWS cloud आता है क्या? AWS, I know a little bit about AWS EC2. So hold on. Just a sec. Night mode in Next.js. Where is it? Let's see this article. Dark mode getting started. npx create next app. Install safedev. Okay, fine. Types not okay. TS okay, fine. Then install tailwind. Okay, fine. This is done. Then now we need ensure tailwind. Okay, done. Implementing the theme toggle. Let's add a theme toggle button. Okay, so for the theme toggle inside in this one. In this we need a switch, dark mode and a light mode switch. Okay, so if we go to ShatCN, and there we get the switch docs, switch PQRS RSSS switch. Yeah, this is my switch. We have this switch, and for this switch code just import switch and then add switch. Okay, so front end components, general navbar. This is my navbar, and this is my here we have this. Let's see. Okay, just here we need that. Okay, this avatar, we have this user email, drop down menu trigger. Okay, menu content. Okay, the Shivam creates. How are you thinking of marketing it? Twitter, Reddit, and if we start getting revenue, then we will go for we'll get creators to promote it. Okay, Ibrahim Mosin, Abhishek, how are you doing, bro? Hello, Ibrahim. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Okay, Pravesh, what is your SaaS for? It's for B2B appointment booking SaaS. Jordan, won't AWS EC2 take care of horizontal and vertical scaling, so you don't manage it yourself? Basically, we are not using AWS EC2. We'll go for VPS, DigitalOcean. Like that can also handle it. Otherwise, is it necessary to code side by side while watching lectures? Yeah, if you're watching a tutorial, then you should code side by side. Type Fusion. भाई मुझे आपकी तो coding करनी है. Start करो. Please guide. First, pick one programming language. Either go with Python or Java, and give your time to understanding the programming language. Okay. Okay. So now here, just a sec. We have this class name Flex Center. Okay. Here we can put the switch. Here we can put the switch. Now we have this switch. Hold on. Oh, it is compiling. Okay, rendering. Yeah, we got the switch. Here, right? And then we need, if I say dark In this, let's put a button. Mode, dark mode, light mode. So here, instead of this, let's put this. Let's put a sun icon. Sun. We have this here. I have allocated 60 GB RAM in Docker to train Gamma 26BA4. It failed, and for 9 hope it works in 60 GB. Okay, that's great, Ibrahim. You are doing a good job. Okay, I got a full stack course by Scrimba. It's 48 hours long. I completed around 20 hours of it. Oh, that's nice. How is the course? Okay. You're using MERN with Next.js, am I right? Yes, I'm using MERN with Pond stack basically. We are not using MongoDB, we're using Prisma. Atharva, what's your next project apart from improving the SaaS? My next project is I need to learn. I'm thinking of learning transformer, how to build a transformer. So that's what I will be doing. I'll be learning that. Okay. So we have this. Okay. All right, guys. HR sucks. Yep, I know. Viraj, I know. Okay, Viraj, Abhishek bhai, today I called the HR interview results. They hang up and call while I was speaking. HRs don't care about anything. भाई मेरी चैट पढ़ो. व्हाट्स अ चैट. भैया अगर मेरे को जॉब मिली आईटी सेक्टर में, पर वो प्राइवेट कंपनी बहुत घिसवाती है और कम सैलरी देगी, गवर्नमेंट सेफ्टी है साथ में. हाँ देखो, सी प्राइवेट कंपनी विल एक्सप्लॉइट, like most of the private service based company will exploit you. There are no work life balance in service based companies. That's why I left my company, like the service based company which I was working on, right? But the thing is, if you want to stick to the job market, then maybe you can use this company for 1 or 2 hours of 1 or 2 years, so that you get experience, then you can switch. That's the best machine my machine can do. Okay. And Ibrahim, do let me know like how you are learning how to use Gamma. If you want, you can share the resources with me, that how you are learning how to use Gamma. Okay, it's unknown 21. Currently, you are working on which role? I left my company. I was in a service-based company. I left that company. Now I'm working on my SaaS full time. Okay. So now, okay, blade work knowledge. Okay, what is Gamma? Gamma is like it allows you to run AI models in your local system. That's what I know, like basic things. Okay, so now let's do this. Here we have here, just a sec. Where? The profile trigger. Hold on. Where was it? Flex. Yeah. Here, let's add the sun icon. Let's see how sun icon looks. It's just compiling. This is the sun icon. This is the sun icon, right? And let's put this in a button. Make this a button, and this will be a normal button, not that button. Put this here. Okay, it is. Okay, we got this, and cursor pointer, class name, cursor pointer here. This is this now, and if I click on this, it should turn into night mode, right? So here we need const show night mode, show night, set show night, use state false, and here we'll have this use state we are importing. Okay, just a sec guys, I walk, then I read the chats. Okay, we have this set show night, and then const set show day, set show day here, and then we'll use state whatever. Let's make it false, and let's make it true for now. let's make it true. Let's make it true. Yep. And here we have this sun, right? We have this, and here we check here that if if show day is true, if show day equals to true, and show night equals to false, then we'll show this sun button. We'll show this sun button. Yep. And now here, hold on. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so we have this now. If this is true, just a sec. Okay, if this is true, then we'll show here sun, or else we'll show here moon. We'll show here. If this is true, we have this, or else we have here moon. Fine, we have this here. Just a sec, it is loading. Yeah, we have this. Now if I make this false and make this true, then what will happen? We are getting moon here, right? Just a sec. Okay, we have this moon here. Okay, Ibrahim, I've shared with you the Bladework X chatbot UI in Discord. Thanks Ibrahim Mohsin, thanks a lot. Viraj, Rush भाई कोड तो रट्टा थोड़ी मारना होता है. Yeah man, कोड हम लोग याद नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so now I will create this button. Now I'll create a function const handle theme toggle. Handle theme toggle. This is the function, right? This is a function. Now what we'll do is, if someone clicks on this, it should switch, right? It should switch. We'll do set. What we can do is, here we are doing show day, right? Just a sec. Yeah, show day, we are doing show day, and remove this one for now. Set show day, and this will be previous of show day. Okay, and here on click button, where is my on click? Yep, here I'll put the on click here, and we'll put this function handle theme toggle. Fine. Now if I come here, yeah, see, this is changing. I hope you guys can see. Just a sec. If I put this here and see, now it is here. As you can see that it is changing. Okay, we have this. Okay, fine. This is changing. Now we have to toggle the theme. अथर्व भैया साइड बाय साइड कोड कैसे कर रहे while watching lectures? For example, if you are learning how to use a particular feature, for example, you are working on authentication, understand the authentication flow, then first understand it, then code along. If you're facing error, then again watch it and code. That's how you do it. Okay. So now the theme is getting toggled. Okay. So now the thing is getting toggled. Now we have to change the mode. Right. We have to change the mode. So this switch, by default, let's keep it night mode. So by default, make it show day to false. Hold on. If I refresh it, it's night mode. Okay. Show day. If a show day is true, you have this. Show day is false. Okay. Then we have to implement. Okay, night mode. Yeah, here we go. Theme dark mode class on me. Okay, till with this is done, implement a theme toggle. We have this theme const. Okay, theme stored theme. Okay, theme toggle components theme toggle. Okay, wrapping up. Lupin 32. Yo, do you use AI while making your SaaS? Yes, I do use AI. To make if something I think then AI can do better, then I use AI. Okay. Um. Okay. So now we can. Now if I come here. Module.exports implement in dark mode. Next.js makes it easy to implement dark mode using the dark variant in Tailwind CSS. You can prepend dark properties to indicate that they are dark mode. For example, you can use dark gray to change the back. Okay, by default, Next.js uses system preference to set the theme. However, we also need to toggle. Okay. Do this. Tailwind.config.js dark mode class module.exports tailwind.config.js. Okay, close this. We need to go to tailwind.config.js. Where is it? Tailwind.config.js. Where is it? Tailwind. Hold on. Agents, Cloud, components, CSLint, next. Where the hell is it? Components, node modules, types, env. Okay. es config, next config, post config, ts config. Okay. Ibrahim, like he's my teacher when it comes to LLM. Ibrahim Mose, I learned everything about building LLM. A guy from Ed Donner, Abhishek Ed Donner. Okay, let's see how is his YouTube channel. Ed Donner. I'll check out his. If he teaches LLM properly, then I'll study from there only. Ed Donner. Edward Donner. Okay, this guy. Playlist. How large language models like GPT actually work? Claude. Okay, we have this Claude code. This one, Ibrahim. Okay, let's subscribe. I'll check it out after the stream. Using next themes. Install. We will say way simpler to use next theme, which handles theme toggling, store preferences in the app.js theme provider. Okay. Now this one. When was it published? 2023. Dark mode, chat scene. Yep, this one, dark mode. Dark mode in your site. Next.js. Next, install next themes. Okay, we have to install next themes. Then theme provider. Components, we have to create a theme provider. Okay, fine. Wrap your root layout. Okay. Body. Okay, theme provider here. Then add a theme toggle. Place. Okay, theme toggle. Pan, moon, sun. Okay. Toggle light, dark, system. Okay, we can add this one. So set theme, use theme. Okay. Toggle. Okay. Fine. Let's go with next install next theme. We have to install this npm install next themes. Okay. So now if I come here, close this, paste this here. Bro, what will happen if anyone would steal .env? If somebody steals your .env, don't panic. Just change your first default your all the revoke all the keys, existing keys, and create a new key. Lokesh, hello Lokesh, welcome to the stream. Atharva, bro, but if you just work on your projects mainly at night, why did you leave the job? Just asking. I left my job because there was no work-life balance. Even if I worked at night, my job was so toxic that I did not get the time to work on my SaaS at night as well. And even on weekends, I did not get the time to work on my SaaS on weekends. So that's why I left it. Okay. Zia ul Islam. Hello Zia, welcome to the stream. I'm a junior developer. That's nice, Lokesh. Okay. Message to the 20 to 5. Hey bro, what are you current setups specs? My laptop is of 16 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD, Intel Core i5, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and 500 GB SSD. Okay, fine, I have told that. So we have installed this. अरे भाई फिर से install नहीं करना है. We just need npm run dev. Fine. Now we need to create a theme provider. Components provider. Okay, components. Just a sec. Hook provider. Did we create any providers? Hook, lib, no. Public, no. Redux, no. Types, no. App provider. Okay, we have this provider. Okay, let's create here theme provider. Theme provider dot tsx. So what are we doing here? React. Okay, theme provider, next themes. Okay, theme provider, export function, children props. Okay, React. Okay. Copy this, paste it here. Fine. Theme provider. Wrap a root layout, but I don't want it on my root. I want it on my dashboard's root. So we can do this. Close this. If I go to my dashboard layout, this is my dashboard layout, and we have this predicted route. Okay. So what we can do is we can wrap this entire thing inside theme provider, and then if I copy this from here and if I go here, we should get this, and we have this attribute, default attribute theme provider, and okay, we have this attribute class. Attribute should be of class. Attribute will be of class, and then here we have default theme. Default theme will be Lokesh. और बताओ अभिषेक अन्ना कैसे हो? मैं बढ़िया लोकेश. How are you? Tab Fusion. Okay. Ziaul Islam, just wanted to know if you follow the 4-layer architecture of React, your project. Give me a review. 4-layer. Can you explain the 4-layer architecture? If yes, then I'll like I'll tell you what it is. By default, I need dark mode, and then we need enable system, and then we need disable transition on change. Fine, we have this. Fine, right? Then this button, we have this button, and here we get const set theme, and sun. Okay, we have just a sec. How can I toggle? How can I see the full code here? Okay, light, on set theme light, dark. Okay, and moon. Okay. Button, drop down menu आया. Hold on. If I go here and if I select light, this dark. Okay. KLG Hunt. What is SaaS? SaaS is software as a service. It's a business model where we build a software and then we charge subscription from the users who want to use the SaaS. Tap Fusion, Lokesh bhai, request accept kar lo, okay. MG, hey bro, what are your current setups? Answer that, okay. Fine. Ayn Khan, bank account khali, okay. McDon, Abhishek, do you know about CAS, PAS, FAS? No, I don't know that. Okay. You don't get Tailwind config separate in Tailwind. It is Tailwind V4. Yup, it is Tailwind V4. Okay. Fine. We have this. Nice specs. Best of luck. Thanks, MG. 20025. Thanks a lot. So we have this. First, we need set theme. Mood toggle. Mode toggle. So in my nav bar components, general nav bar, we have nav bar here, and then I need const mood toggle, const set theme equals use theme, right? And now we have this is my toggle, and drop on click set theme light. Okay. We have this, okay. Our mood toggle on click set theme light. Okay, now we can do this. I think now if I go here, and in this we are having this handle theme toggle, right? Handle theme toggle. If show day is true, then what will I do? First we'll make it set theme आज मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम क्लास बंक किया. क्यों लोकेश? व्हाई डिड यू बंक इट? अमन कुमार, नाइस टू सी यू अगेन. थैंक्स अमन, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. टाइप विजन, भागो अभिषेक भाई, भूत आ गया चैट पे. कहाँ पे भाई? लोकेश, बाय द वे आई टोल्ड अबाउट योर SaaS to my friend. They subscribe you. Thanks Lokesh, thanks a lot man. Joker Phoenix, I suggest create a component for the theme toggle and import it in navbar. Okay, we'll do that. OJJ123, thank you for sharing the whole tech stack and good luck for the SaaS product. Thanks Olage1234, thanks a lot. Red Brad, can you recommend the resource that you have used for web dev? I followed Chayar Code YouTube channel. There they taught Stack. Then I followed Piyush Garg YouTube channel. Lokesh movie. Okay, so set theme. If for example show day is already true, we need to make it dark. Make it dark, and then set show day to false, and then else we have this. We have to make it ulta. We have this. Now we'll make it light, make it true. Now let's see. We come here, server running. Yeah, server is running. Okay, hold on. What is the issue? Nothing is happening. Okay. Set theme dark. Okay, where is it? Light. Okay, dark, light, and in layout default is dark. Okay, now if we come here, what is happening? Nothing is happening. Okay, I need to fix this. We have to fix these things. Okay, so what I can do is, now I think basic is done. Now if I come here, भैया आज जय था, अच्छा नहीं गया सैल्वेशन. ओके, डोंट, इट्स फाइन. नहीं अच्छा, इट्स ओके. Red brand. Please check the description box of live stream video. Okay. Lokesh. Okay. This is my code. My nav bar. This is my nav bar.tsx. Okay. My nav bar.tsx. And this is my layout. This is my app slash dashboard slash layout.tsx. Then this is my theme provider, components, theme provider. I want to implement dark mode and light mode switch, and it should change the theme. Lokesh, something is different today. What is different, Lokesh? Can you tell? Viraj, brother, I have built projects, but I struggle with interview Q&A because I lack theoretical knowledge. I need help to crack a remote job. I struggle with Q&A, interview Q&A because I lack theoretical knowledge. I need help to crack a remote job. See, theoretical knowledge comes with practice. If even if you practice it properly, then like it will help you. वलीद भाई मुझे CSS बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है, मज़ा नहीं आता, क्या उससे मास्टर ना करो तो मसला तो नहीं होगा बैकएंड में? वलीद मुझे भी CSS काफ़ी इरिटेटिंग लगता है, बट यू डोंट हैव टू बी अ मास्टर ऑफ CSS. यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड what a flex box, what is grid, how to center a div, that's enough. Ibrahim Hossein, hello Lokesh bro, what is different today? What is different, guys? Do let me know if what's different. Again. Fix use theme, replace this. Okay, fix use theme from use theme with this theme set theme. Okay, theme set theme. Problem, the toggle logic is wrong. Replace your function with the icon is based on wrong state. Theme dark sun. Okay, dark mode must be enabled. Where is this tailwind.config? Okay, we'll see. Okay, fine. We have this theme set theme, use theme, navbar here, set theme set theme. Okay, we have here theme set theme. Then here we have this with handle toggle. This one, remove this. I don't know, I'm feeling very odd today. What happened, Lokesh? Thom भाई कौन सा YT चैनल से पढ़ा अपने वेब डेव? मैंने चायर कोड यूट्यूब चैनल एंड पीयूष गर्ग यूट्यूब चैनल एंड कोड विद हैरी, ये तीनों से मैंने पढ़ा. Attorney, maybe Abhishek is not singing Sayyara today, that's why. Sugandhan Adhikari, what was your profession before backend or frontend or both? I was a full stack developer, Spring Boot developer. Attorney, Chair code. Okay, Joker Phoenix, create a tailwind config file in a root of a project. Okay, Joker Phoenix, I'll do that. Lokesh, carry me bro, you are Lokesh. Attorney, तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी too. Next खान से पढ़ो. अच्छा, I don't know bro. What's wrong, Lokesh? You can, मन में कुछ चल रहा है, you can tell. Kamal Thakur, Next.js. Okay. Abhishek, can you check the Discord once, feedback section? Just a sec, I'll check it. Hold on. We have this here. Handle theme toggle. Then we have set theme. If theme equals to dark, then make it light or make it dark. Fine. Handle toggle, and this one, replace this. Here we have to replace it. Theme equals to dark, then we'll show the sun, not sub, sun. We'll show sun, right? We'll show sun, or else we'll show moon. And guys, like the thing is, after we implement the dark mode, today we also need to see how big is the market of the SaaS that we are building. Okay. वलीद भाई आपने टाइम में प्रैक्टिस कैसे करते थे ट्यूटोरियल से? हाँ, ट्यूटोरियल में देखता था, बट आई वाज नॉट इन ट्यूटोरियल हेल्प. मैं बस एक ट्यूटोरियल देखता था, फिर मैं खुद से उसमें जब मैं व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वॉच ट्यूटोरियल्स देन आई यूज्ड टू कोड अलोंग विद इट. एंड एक बार ट्यूटोरियल देखने के बाद मैं फिर खुद से प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाता था. कमाल. सेकंड लास्ट फाइल है टेलविंड कॉन्फ़िग, ध्यान से देखो. सेकंड लास्ट फाइल वो टीएस कॉन्फ़िग है. वो टीएस कॉन्फ़िग एक्चुअली, दैट इज फॉर टाइपस्क्रिप्ट, नॉट टेलविंड. ओके. रेजबेट से आई ब्रोक माई गेम कंट्रोल. व्हाट हैपेंड लोकेश? इज समथिंग रॉन्ग? Oh no, my code is building and selling WhatsApp lead automation and follow up a good idea. If yes, how much time does it take to build? WhatsApp lead automation. It's a good idea, and it depends. First, you have to get that meta developer account, because that's how you will get to access of the WhatsApp API keys. Wow, interesting. I'm also preparing for Spring Boot. You did internship or just went straight into a junior dev? I did internship first. CodeYouTuber, hi. Hello CodeYouTuber, welcome back to the stream. 9am Games, yo, hello 9am Games, welcome back to the stream. Keep going, thanks CodeYouTuber. We got this, and if I come here now, okay, but something, only these things are changing, right? Okay, we'll see. Okay. Check your tailwind.config. What is this tailwind version? Just a sec. Package.json, frontend, package.json. This is tailwind. Where is it? Tailwind. Which tailwind version is this? Version 4, right? We are using tailwind version 4. I am using shadcn tailwind v4, and there is no tailwind.config.js file, and I am using TypeScript. लोकेश, किड्स वेर आस्किंग मेरे को एक बार गेम कंट्रोलर दे दो, पता नहीं क्यों तोड़. ओके. On your first Spring Boot internship, what was the company requirement? Can you share? Actually, my first internship was not a Tailwind internship. It was just like in that internship, I was working with Django. Theme provider. This means shadcn theme tokens. Step 1, use semantic classes. Okay. Fine, this is correct. This is my globals.css frontend app globals.css. Perfect. This is actually a clean product. Not a problem. The real issue is your component are still using hardware tailwind CSS colors. This okay. Fix an app before your current code. This after this. I am giving you the full code. Lokesh, alhamdulillah bro, don't feel sad bro. Share what happened. Okay, सिर्फ आपका fan. Are you making that only website web based? Yes, 9am Games. People switching meta feature off because of privacy concerns on WhatsApp. Lead automation कैसे work करेगा? meta features off. Okay, then that only this will only work for people who have enabled meta features. Ayan Khan, with anger you can't move forward. True. Lokesh, I'm fine bro. थोड़ा rage bait हो गया था while playing games, so broke my controller. Okay, I feel full code. Okay, now let's give the full code first. This is my front end. In my front end, this is my layout. This is my app slash layout.tsx. And guys, the like target is 100 likes. Make sure you like the stream and we reach the target. We have this layout and then we have the page. This is my this is not required, page not required. Then I need dashboard layout, and then this is my app slash dashboard slash layout.tsx. Then we have this thing done, right? We have this thing done. Then we need in components we need theme provider.tsx. This is the theme provider.tsx. This is a theme provider, right? Then in my nav bar, this is my nav bar, we have this nav bar.tsx, right? And this is my globals.css, now fix it. Okay, ब्रो स्ट्रीम के टाइम बैकग्राउंड में स्लो म्यूजिक का आइडिया कैसा रहेगा? लोफी टाइप भाई एक बार मैंने किया था, इफ यू गो बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम्स तो मुझे कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आ गया था, तो इसीलिए मैं बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक आई डोंट यूज इट. शगुन, व्हाट वाज योर कंपनी रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर Django internship? Python was required, and then like I was learning Django at the time, and that company was actually using Django, so that's why they selected my resume. I built 2 or 3 good projects using Django, and then there was an interview, and then like I got the internship. AI code 09. भैया मैं BCA कर रहा हूँ, मुझे आज के समय में कौन कौन सी कोडिंग भाषा सीखनी चाहिए? फर्स्ट यूनिट आपको सबसे पहले जावास्क्रिप्ट आनी चाहिए. जावास्क्रिप्ट और पाइथन सीख लो, उतना काफ़ी है. टी होम, हेलो टी होम, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. ब्रो, डू वी प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस बिफोर वर्किंग ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स और डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू प्रोजेक्ट्स? Before you jump into projects, understand the tech stack. Whatever tech stack you are choosing, make sure you know it properly before you jump into projects. सर मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम इंटरप्राइज लेवल RBAC अप्लाई में हो गया है, 2 हफ्ते लग गए हैं, बिकॉज इट्स मल्टी सिस्टम यूजर्स, क्लाइंट सबको अलग अलग रीड्स एंड राइट्स. ओके, नाइस. रूट प्रॉब्लम, योर थीम सिस्टम इज करेक्ट, टॉगल लॉजिक इज करेक्ट, बट योर UI is still hard coded to light mode, that's why. Toggle was internally, okay. Problem area in your code. Dashboard layout, biggest issue. This completely BG white, override dark mode, fix, replace. Navbar. Okay. Okay. Hydration, subnet theme is defined first render. Give me the full code. How you find an internship? I found an internship. Basically, one of my relatives, he got me into that internship. That's how I got it. Like it was a startup, and it was my it was my cousin brother. He's older than me. It was that cousin brother's friend, and like he saw my resume, and then he offered me like interview and all those things. भाई कितना हुआ complete? Now we are implementing the dark mode. Dashboard layout. Dashboard layout. Okay. Navbar full fixed version. Okay. What changed? Fine. Okay. Dashboard layout. Okay. First we go here to my front end components, and then we need here app dashboard layout. Go here, copy this, comment this and paste it now. And now if I go here and see it is compiling. Abhishek, code YouTuber, suggest 2 good projects for Java backend developer role. A blog application first, and then our enterprise level like an education management system, LMS, learning management, and the champion. Backend done, backend is done, and the champion. Okay, PRD बनाई हो? हाँ, PRD मैंने बनाया है. Hello bro. View opinion, Vue.js. I have not used. You're talking about Vue.js, right? Kamal, why did you leave that startup? It was an internship, and after the internship, I got a job in an MNC as a Spring Boot developer. So I lost it. Project requirement document, I think. Lokesh, yes, yeah, I have not used Vue.js, so I don't know about that. So okay, now it is thoda sa working. Okay, some things we need to fix. Some things we need to fix in dark mode. Okay, fine. Some things are working, and then components, general navbar, right? Come here, paste it here, and here what is the issue? Fine. Okay, Rushikesh Galmugale. Hello Rushikesh, thanks for the super chat. 9433. What does that number mean? 9433. Which part takes more time? Oops or DBMS? DBMS. Flanky Gaming. Hi bro, nice to meet you. Hello Flanky Gaming, welcome to the stream. Yes, PRD. Okay. आर्मी चैंपियन सिखाओगे PRD? बहुत टाइम बाद देख रहा हूँ, सो आइडिया क्या बिल्ड किया है अभी भाई? ओके, जस्ट अ सेक, आई शो. You have this. Okay, fine, but text. Okay, but we have to change this. Okay, just a sec. By default it should be dark. Theme provider, where is it? Theme provider, what if I make it theme provider, layout, dashboard layout. What if we have light here? Default theme is light here. Then what will happen? Okay, I have to fix these things. Okay, 9 AM games, code classroom, backend free में host करने के लिए क्या use करें? You can go with render. Shagun, what was your role as Spring Boot developer? Have you ever had to deal with the front end? No, in my job I did not deal with front end. Okay, so we have this, but we are facing few issues. First issue is these text. We need to fix these text. Create service. Okay, we have to fix a lot of things. Okay, theme provider, what we do in navbar, background, VG background. Okay, sidebar, this is the sidebar.tsx. Rahul, where do I start to understand this? You can watch the day 0 stream, like day 1 stream, where we are basically you can start with market research stream. Then you can start with day 1 stream. Good, this is the last piece, breaking a dark mode. Okay. What was your role as a Spring Boot developer? Okay. Okay. This is sidebar. Okay, copy this. And now if I go here and if I put this here and put this here, we come here and we see this. It is loading, and now it is this, and if I do this, yeah, now if I come here, it is looking like this. Okay, but here if I come here, okay, we have this dashboard. Okay, so for each we have to do this. Okay, we have this, and here if I go and if I go here, we have this. Okay, we are getting this thing. Ibrahim Osin, Abhishek Discord bro. I'll check it, Ibrahim, just a sec. फ्लैंकिंग भैया आप लाइव चेंज कैसे कर रहे हो, लाइक कोड में चेंज और वो ऑटोमेटिक वेबसाइट चेंज हो जाता है, ऑटोमेटिकली वेबसाइट चेंज हो जाता है कैसे, लाइक ये वी आर वर्किंग विद डार्क मोड PRD. जस्ट सेक आई शो द PRD. Sagun, which database you had to work with in Spring Boot role? In my company they were using Postgres, so I work with Postgres in that. Okay, so first we have this my we have this here. So what change we did in sidebar components, in general sidebar, what did we do in sidebar? Font bold, tracking tight. Okay, what did we do here? Have this it's full BG card border. Okay, a font black. Okay, fine. Hardik Mishra, hi, good going with this project. You worked on Spring Boot as well. What tech stack you prefer for Spring Boot? Which type of project? I prefer Stack because I am a solo developer and I'm trying to build a startup. For that, Stack is good. Spring Boot is good if you have a team and you are trying to build an enterprise application. He's running a server, so any changes goes carried. Yes, he's using npm server for dev. Okay, yep. Thor, Finn, yo bhai, updates. We are trying to implement the dark mode today. There are few bugs, we are trying to fix that. HX Zitex, hello HX, welcome to the stream. Hey, love from Sri Lanka, that's nice. Welcome to the stream, HX. Servers required for dev as well as product for web apps. Yep. Okay, hold on. We have this sidebar. Then now let's start with one by one. My front end. Then we have app, dashboard, organizations, and page. This is the organization page.tsx. Fine. Then we have components, organization components, create or dialog. Then we have create org dialog.tsx. Popularity called noob dev server. Okay, Ajay, hello from Sri Lanka. Okay, HX, thanks. Rushikesh, if you added the dark mode, then what will also change the any color? That will be easy because the functionality is implemented. If you added the dark mode, then we will also change the any color. That will be easy. Yeah, that we can implement. But is that feature actually required in the SaaS? It's not a styling based SaaS, right? It's a B2B SaaS. So I don't think that feature is required. Shagun, how fluent we need to be in the query language? And for SQL, you need to understand normal like DML, DDL, all these queries. I'm the champion. By the way, तुम्हारी building बहुत fast हुई लग रही है. So कैसे fastly built kara. I'm starting new complex project as SaaS. See, I'm the champion. First, I build the backend. I take time to build backend. Basically, with this stream, in this stream, for the first 12 days, we were working on backend only. Then after 12 days, we switched to frontend, and for frontend, I use AI for a lot. Sagun, I'm curious that you ever had a role on deployment. No, like there was a different DevOps team. They used to handle deployment. Mohit Agarwal, hey bro, new subscriber. Is your goal to sell this SaaS? Yes, Mohit, welcome to the stream. We are going to monetize the SaaS, and we are going with subscription based model for the SaaS. And like I'm trying to scale the SaaS so that we can get real users to use this, and like it's a full time SaaS that I'm trying to build basically. You were just managing the SaaS on the company or microservice. I was in a service based company that was handling the clients were banking clients, right? So I was working on a banking application in that company. PRD. Okay, yes, let's show the PRD now. Rishikesh, is any plans to implement the role based access? Yes, we have implemented role based access. So yeah, Joker Phoenix. This may fix. Okay. HX Jitex. Good luck for your work. Have a good one. Thanks, HX. Thanks a lot. So this basically I created simple implementation based app note that I'm following to implement it. Just a sec, I'll show. If we go here, and this is what I created. Like a phase wise we are building things, then database schema designs, then authentication system, then business dashboard. This is also done actually, so we can make it green. Yeah, business dashboard, then Google integration calendar. This is also done. Then public booking page is also done. Then slot available engine is done. Then payment integration is done. Fine. Then Google Meet creation done. Okay. So this is done. Then email notifications done. This is also done in the SaaS. And fine. Business booking dashboard. Payment, customer service date time. Okay, we have to implement this payment dashboard. We have to implement this public booking UI. This is done. Phase 13 is done. Okay. Then critical SaaS features. Your app. Yeah, this is working. This part is working. And then we have security. We have to implement this rate limiting and all deployment left. Yeah. So basically, I created this phase-wise implementation plan, and that's what I have been following. Sadi Dhore. Hi bro. Hello Sadi. Welcome to the stream. Mohit, man, even I'm trying to build a scalable SaaS. I'm in my first year, by the way. That's great, Mohit. All the best. Viraj, also have a vibe code frontend part. Is there any chance interviewer ask me questions? Yes, interviewer will ask question. Even if you have vibe coded it, that's fine. But you can spend time to understand the code. Okay, you ever had a deal with gRPC API there? Not yet. No, I did not get a chance to deal with gRPC. Mohit, what is your opinion on legal SaaS, something which helps lawyer fast track their work? Is it too basic? I can see lawyer paying for it because lawyers can basically upload the document and then they can ask questions to know about the document. That's a very good SaaS, and if you can pull this off, it's a very good idea, to be honest. Do you prefer using XAMPP in nowadays? HXZX, do you prefer using XAMPP? Actually, I used XAMPP when I was learning initial days with PHP. I was using XAMPP, but now I have switched to MERN stack. And if someone is a fresher, I would not recommend going into PHP. Ibrahim, this will be an amazing application to pen test. Okay, this bar radius is too large. Okay, nice. I'm a social media web app. Yep. Raj. Oh, but if I apply for Python dev still. Yeah, see, if you have built something, whatever projects you have mentioned in resume, you have to know those projects properly. Fine. Okay. Fixed version. Okay. Don't be over smart. Just give me the full organization page.tsx and create dialog, create org dialog, create org dialog dot tsx. It's and based on Laravel. Oh, that's nice, Shagun. You prepared DSA with Java, and how much algorithm you were prepared when we were working with Spring Boot Dev? I did not do DSA with Java. I did with Python. Okay, Tarun. By the way, just a suggestion: use PNPM workspace with Turbo. It's a very good practice for monorepo architecture like your app. I implement this in my project today. Oh, thanks, Tarun. I'll try to learn about that. Attorney, don't be over smart. Yeah, man. Is your rag vectorless or regular rag? Okay, Viraj. React is so confusing. कुछ पता नहीं चलता. See, for React, you should know JavaScript properly. Chat miss. What was the chat? Abhishek bhai, how can I deploy my RAG application? See, you can go with simple deployment. You can just get a VPS and you can just install the dependencies into the VPS, and then you have to use Nginx to open the port, and you can do that, or you can Dockerize the entire application. Just pull the Docker image into your VPS and just make the configuration and use Nginx to open the port. Okay, Ayan. Bro, I have doubt that why most developer use VS Code, not other code editor. Is there any special reason? Actually, VS Code is very user friendly and it's very easy to use. Viraj, regular RAG Ibrahim. Okay. Urban vibe. Urban vibes. Welcome to the stream. What is your opinion on Iran versus US war? My opinion is that it's an unnecessary war. See, the stock market was doing really well before the war, and then this war crashed everything, created unnecessary issues, and now the war is resolved. So what's the point of the war? Okay, Abhishek, bro. Good night. See you in the next life. Good night, Shagun. Attorney. Okay. FNK game. Why people share their code on GitHub, and what is the benefit? Basically, GitHub may helps you to track your code. Do you use anti-gravity? No, I have not used anti-gravity till now. HXZ. Ziaul Islam. How much DSA would be enough for me as a Merstack developer? Till now, I have only seen people asking me about string, arrays, linked list, stack, and queues. That's it. Okay. So page. Okay. Okay. Organization page. Organization page. We'll come here. First, we'll comment, and then we'll go here. Now if I go here, we have this organization part. Yeah, now we have the light mode, and okay, this is also working. Okay, this is fine. Organizations. Okay, fine. This is working. Yes, services. Okay, so what I can do is I need to keep this as a reference. I need to keep this as a reference here, and I can remove this for now. Let's keep this just a sec. Here, test user 11, organization 1. Let's create one more organization. Okay, we have here this. Let's make it test user 11 organization 2. Create workspace has been created. This. Okay, fine. There is no service for this. Okay, now we have service for this. Yup. Okay. We have this. So organization page is done. Ayan Saeed. Hello, Ayan. Welcome to the stream. Which is better, watch tutorial or read books with blogs? See, first you need to understand how to do documentation. First, go with documentation. If you are not able to understand documentation, then go to tutorials and watch. Don't watch 10 different tutorials. Follow one tutorial, code along with it, and make sure after you watch the tutorial, you don't need to watch the tutorial ever again. Zial Islam, where did you learn from and how long it took? I've been, I got introduced to programming when I was in class 11, when I was around 16 or 17 years old. And then I started learning web development in 2020. Okay. We have this. Now let's go to service page. This is my service page. Okay, then we have service page.tsx. Yep. So what are we changing here? Basically, man, okay, justify item border p6, and here we have this muted foreground, empty one, muted foreground. Okay, p class name. Services. Okay, let's give this create service. We are getting this now. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. We have to fix all of this. Okay, so first nav bar. Where's my nav bar? General nav bar. Nav bar. We made some sticky thing, I think. Nav bar, nav bar, nav bar. Z index 100. Remove this. If I remove this, right, and now if I go here, we are getting this. But if I keep this, now it is getting this like this. And if I remove this, then we are getting this. Okay, yeah, this is better. Now, okay. अनूप भाई मैंने ज्वाइन किया पाइथन मुझे माइक्रो सर्विस सिक्योरिटी रैबिट एमक्यू रेडिस सिर्फ सब आते हैं बैकएंड में दैट्स ग्रेट अनूप ओके Zial, any tips on how to improve UI sense? See, UI, I depend on AI to be very honest. Right, I for UI, I know React concepts. That's why I'm able to understand the code. But for the UI designing part, I use AI. डार्क मोड में ज़्यादा बेटर लग रहा है अच्छा हाँ डार्क मोड में या इवन आई नो दैट सी डार्क मोड से मेरा पर्सनल कनेक्शन है क्योंकि मुझे डार्क मोड काफ़ी पसंद है मैं भी ज्वाइन करूं आपके साथ लाइक अनूप राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट हायरिंग मे बी इन फ्यूचर इफ वी स्टार्ट हायरिंग देन यू कैन ज्वाइन is any reason to use manually instead of cursor anti-gravity because when you use it then it is minimum time instead of this see Ruchikesh the thing is I want full control of my code see AI can write code I know that but I need control of my code but if AI writes the code then it gets very difficult to understand the code Ayan Saeed, bro, did you hear the Oracle news? It fears me a lot. Yeah, I saw. But actually, the issue is not AI here. What I think what they are doing is during the lockdown phase, they overhired. Now they don't have the projects like they don't need that much engineers because lockdown is gone now, right? So now they are firing people, but they cannot say that we don't need you. That's why we are firing. They are just blaming AI. टू क्यू भाई कोडिंग करना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मुझे ये सब बेकार चीज होती है इसमें टाइम वेस्ट मत करो इट्स लाइक सी यूर ट्राइंग यूर वॉचिंग समवन एल्स डूइंग व्हाट यू वांट टू डू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वीक इज दैट see you guys using AI to train AI write codes okay see you guys yeah exactly you guys are training the AI to take your job okay fine this is my service page I can close this and this is my service page this is the service page .tsx Ayan Khan, are you planning to raise funds for market making this international? Right now we have to go with Bootstrap. Once it gets popular and it gets users, then we can go for raising funds. भाई लॉजिक कैसे डेवलप करें प्रैक्टिस के साथ अनूप no that's not case they bought a company and they then improve their ML using the company data and since they fire employees of that company not from Oracle okay Mike okay yeah for with proper theme support no hard coding colors okay service page come here comment this for now we come here I put this Now if we come here, in the service page, we come here, service page, but here it is this, here it is this. Okay, then the service page components, service page, service components. Hold on, we have this, close this, close this, close this. We have this. If on edit also it is showing like this. Okay, fine, right? Avik Sharma. Hello Avik, welcome to the stream. Bro, I'm learning from your prompts to how write it more effectively. That's great, Avik. Yeah, exactly. That's like if you can learn these things, then your productivity will increase a lot. And see, AI is like a very good tool to me, universe, but not one job. What is that job, Ayan Khan? In AI era, which area we need to focus? Could you please make the video on this? Make everyone confused on YouTube as well. See, most of the videos on YouTube are fear mongering, and yeah, I can make a video on this. भाई गैप हुआ तो चलता है ना, 2 साल हुआ ग्रेजुएट होके. सी गैप, then the best option is you can go for US, UK, Canada, Australia remote startups. रिमोट सिंटैक्स याद नहीं रहा, सिंटैक्स आपको प्रैक्टिस के साथ ही याद होगा. ओके, fine. Okay, so we have this now, and then we have create service dialog. Create service dialog.tsx. Here is a fixed fully with proper dark light support, no hard coded lights. Yeah, exactly. Fine. Create service dialog. भाई अच्छे से जवाब नहीं मिला इसके इसका भाई चलता है 2 साल. सी गैप अगर आप MNCs टारगेट करोगे देन दे विल गो फॉर, दे विल टारगेट अ गैप, बट आई विल सजेस्ट यू गो फॉर रिमोट जॉब्स इन USA, UK, Canada, Australia startups. There only your skills matter. Your gap years, these things don't matter. Ibrahim Mohsin, maybe in 4 years AI will be good enough to replace people, but still human supervision is a must. Exactly, I agree. Ayan Saeed 9.0. Bro, I'm 21 years old. Till now, I haven't done any job or internship. So, is it hard to get a job in my age? Uh, See, competition is there. But if you're skilled enough and you are able to showcase your skills, then you can get a job. It can't even be. Fine. Create service dialog. Copy this. Come here. We have this. Now if I come here and if I go here, yeah, okay, this, okay, fine, we have this, and this edit also we need to edit part. And then this is the edit service dialog. This is the edit service dialog. Edit service dialog.tsx. Actually, we are just removing the hard-coded colors and we are using that, theme-based colors. That's what we are doing. Bro, I'm in 4th sem. And third year will be starting in 5 to 6 months, and I don't know coding. Should I do web development or learn language or do DSA and then web dev? You have to do web dev and DSA together because time is limited, right? You cannot first do DSA then you will do web dev. No, you have to do together, these two together. What you can do is you can pick one language. You can either choose JavaScript. I will suggest you go with JavaScript. Pick JavaScript, then do DSA in JavaScript for 1 or 2 hours every single day, and then rest of the day build projects with learn web development and build projects. Okay. कि ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट से शादी करूंगा मैं. ओके. एडुक्यू. रेफरल सही में काम आता है कि हाँ रेफरल काम आता है. इब्राहिम ब्रो इज हैविंग क्रेजी मूड स्विंग्स. मैकडॉन. अमन. डू बोथ. ओके अप. आयन खान. ओके. रेफरल हाँ काम तो आता है. नहीं ब्रो आई जस्ट हेट व्हेन पीपल पे टू यूज एआई. ओके. Code YouTuber. Hello Code YouTuber, welcome to the stream. That paid service takes money from you and data from you, also train their AI. See Ibrahim, the thing is, I know like you can hate it, but the fact is AI is going to get stronger with time. And it's high time now that we start adapting it. There's no point in fighting it. But right now what we can do is that we can make ourselves adaptable to AI and we can learn skills that using which AI can help us to be better. That's what I'm seeing. Sudipto Gamers. Abhishek bhai, love you brother. Love you too Sudipto. McDonald. Abhishek, how to get placed in Jane Streets? I don't know man. What is Jane Streets? Red Jello beer. Bro, thoughts on Eagles? क्योंकि ये बंदी तो मिल. See, Eagles are for losers in my opinion. Seriously. First. What the fuck did I do? Okay. Now edit service dialog. You have this now. Yep. Fine. And one mindset call. Call updated. Okay. Okay. Service updated. Fine. And preview. We have to update the preview part. Service preview. Service preview.tsx. Service preview.tsx. Lokesh, अभी please Discord feedback पे. Okay, I'll check it. अभिषेक भाई चलो Chinese भेल dry machine. Okay. Bro, do you follow sleep schedule? Actually, I don't have a sleep schedule. I sleep when I feel sleepy. There's no sleep schedule for me right now. Okay, we have this. Is the stream health fine? Hold on. Guys, is the stream health fine? Okay, stream health. Yeah, it is it looks nice. Stream health is fine, okay. Okay. Fine. Theme toggle fixes. Viraj, Abhishek bhai, chalo, okay. Okay, fine. We have this sleep service preview. Lokesh, Kolkata, Ara man, let's have a biryani party soon, okay. Okay, Lokesh, eternity. Abhishek, how many GFs you had? Good question. I'll not answer that. MacDon, placed in a good quant company is a dream which is next to impossible. Okay. We have this service preview. Comment this for now and now keep it like this. We have this now, and if I go here and if we refresh, now it looks great. On service, all of these things are done, and edit service, fine. Change service updated. Now let's create a new service. Basic info. What have I created? One-on-one mindset coaching call. Dental appointment. This is a walk in dental checkup and let's make it 45 minutes, and let's keep the price 200. This is offline. Enter a physical location, uh, Delhi, India. Let's keep it like this for now. Delhi, India. Launch service. Service has been launched. Offline, online, correct? And we have this, we have this. Okay. Avik, bro, in which year you are right now? You do manage academic. Avik, I've completed my BTech. Hacked Square Point was one of them which came in my college. It offered 66 CTC. Okay. Attorney. Seeing your LinkedIn PFP, I can guess that you had one every semester. Lokesh. Okay. Institute of Technology, come most handsome person. So imagine his girlfriend. Okay. Bro, Cat Pacino, whatever it is, theme have four different types. In which one you use? I have to check. Yep, that's what I'm thinking too. Okay. Joker Phoenix, bro, toggle back to light theme and make sure no bugs. Yeah, it looks fine. We'll check. Obviously, we have to do a deep testing. He's caught Pachini Mocha. Okay. Bad timing, bro. I live in Nagaland. Okay. So now we have to go with availability part. Fine. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. And app dashboard availability page, and components availability components. Yeah. This is availability page.tsx. Availability page.tsx. Macdon, what is home country, Abhishek? My country is India. I'm from India. Will update you, bro. But okay, fine. Okay. Rodo Nation. What the fuck? भाई ये माल मारा है क्या? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पेज क्यों दे रहा है? I gave you availability page.tsx and you are giving me organization page.tsx. Are you stupid? Yeah, that's my bad. You asked for. I gave you the wrong file. Here's the correct clean code for availability page. Home state, West Bengal. Karthik Chandra. Bro, use Claude, bro. Yeah, I'll use it. HZ. Do you have any ChatGPT Plus or any subscription? No, I have no. I don't have any subscription. HX. Roga. ChatGPT can make mistakes. Yeah, man. इब्राहिम माल मारा है क्या? मैडम अभिषेक आखिरी बार गांजा कब पिया था? कॉलेज में. When I was back in 2021 or 2022. AI can rage bait too. Yeah, man. I agree. First, that's why I comment first. I don't remove the code. I comment it first, and then I check, then I remove. Because I know how stupid AI can be. See, it fucking changed the entire. Oh no, I was just about to. Organization. This one. This one. Availability for Monday. Make it 9 to 5. Copy Monday 9 to 5. Mm-hmm. This. Here we have Tuesday to Saturday. I don't need Saturday, bro. This delete, 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 delete. Red Jello Bear. Bro, are you employed? I was employed. I was working as a Spring Boot developer in a service-based company. So how do you chat that much long? Actually, I just use the code for structure and I use GPT till it's, like end extent. Rojal, I don't give my political opinion. This is not a political channel. So yeah. Kailash, bro, did you spend anything amount for your SaaS? Till now, I've spent only rupees 200 for my Razorpay verification. Okay. So Abhishek's movie, I did back in when I was in college. Not now. Now I am clean. He quit his job 2 months ago and working on SaaS. Yup. Last time I saw was 5 years back. Okay. It's been years since I tried that. Avik Sharma. Avik Sharma. ब्रो यूज क्लॉड चैट जीपीटी से ज्यादा बेटर है वेबसाइट और बढ़िया कर देगा सी क्लॉड आई यूज ओनली व्हेन चैट जीपीटी कैन नॉट डू समथिंग दैट्स व्हेन आई यूज क्लॉड Saeed, bro, will you review my portfolio? Yes, I'll review it once today's development session is done. Then we'll review. Abhishek, I was just about to lose my shit. Okay, I don't smoke and drink. I only drink soft drinks too much. Have to stop that. That's fine. Don't get into smoking or drinking. That's a bad habit. Stay away from it. Kailash. Bro, did you spend any amount of I spent 200 rupees till now. Missing out on live, bro. Okay. Abhishek love chat GPT, so he can't chat GPT. Can he? Okay. Bro, why don't you use voice for AI prompts? Actually, yeah, I can do that. So have a past with Spring Boot. Wow. Yes, I have a past with Spring Boot. Thanks, Sumit. भाई आप मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ Vue.js पढ़ना सही रहेगा over React? Yeah, you can go with Vue.js. It is well structured. Lokesh, Claude is Brahmastra. Yep, Claude is my Brahmastra. I agree. Sushan, what do you do in the morning? In my morning, I take calls. I work on freelancing projects if I have. MacDon, Abhishek, what was the last time? MacDon, no personal questions, dude. We have this Monday. First 6, let's make it 12 to 16, confirm slot. Wednesday, make it 12 to 15, fine. Now if I do copy to Monday, we have copy to Monday, yep. And then again if we copy to Monday, fine, this is done. Availability part is done. Now we need this copy to Monday, fine. Let's go for Saturday. Let's keep it evening, confirm slot. Saturday done, yeah, okay. Now this is my bookings part. This is the bookings part. Okay, bookings, fine. Thanks Sumit. And for backend मैं Spring Boot पढ़ना शुरू कर रहा हूँ. Nice. Sushan, any freelance gig you are working on? But not right now. Like last freelance job I did was around a week ago, and right now I'm not accepting any more projects because right now I need to focus on my SaaS. So yeah. HZ. In India, ChatGPT ka plus is cheap, but in Sri Lanka it's around 440 Indian rupee. Okay. I have not taken the ChatGPT plus till now because I know it is not going to be free for a long time, and they are just trying to get us habituated to using that so that they can make more money, and also they will be using our data to train the model. Flashbang, okay. Ibrahim, Spring Boot is Abhishek's ex. TS is present entity. Abhishek is dating. Yeah, man, that's my entire dating history. Suyukta Gamers, thank for 1,000 rupees super chat. McDonald's says, okay. In India, got plus. Okay. How much do you charge for gig? It depends on the project. It depends on the project entirely. What kind of project is it? Availability, copy for availability. Okay, not now. This is my booking page.tsx. ChatGPT got 1300 rupees in India. Okay, I got it. I usually see with AI, I have not taken a single AI subscription till now. Maybe in future, when we start getting good revenue, then maybe I will get a Claude Code subscription or Codex subscription. Maybe in future, but now we have not taken any subscription. LW Shorts, second year about to end, currently on basic of Mount, planning to manage Java alongside. Am I late to start? No, you're not late to start. That's a perfect time. You're just in second, you still have third year and fourth year. Stick with it. MacDon, upload Spring Boot videos on a channel like Telusco. Actually, see, I'm not interested in making tutorials because I want to build my own SaaS and I want to spend my time on doing that. So right now I'm not into teaching or making any course on teaching or anything. So yeah, Saeed, my website is not in. Okay, I'll check. You can join my Discord server, Saeed, and you can share the link there. I'll check it. Did you do Spring Boot or Mon in your college time? In my college time, I did a bit of Mon, but most of the time in my college, I did Django. Nomi, can you check early or I am as a full stack dev? You can join the Discord server and drop the link there. I'll check it after the coding stream. Like coding session is done for today, then we can check it. Copy this. Bookings. We can come here, paste it. Now let's see how it looks. No bookings. Fine. If I go for here and now we go to bookings. What the hell? It changed the entire view. What the hell? Did I tell you to change any design? No, right? I only want the code for the theme. Don't change the design. Fucking idiot. HX, do you code every day or only in midnight? I code usually at night, and during my daytime I do my own learning. Right now I'm learning deep learning with PyTorch. Yogo, bro, can you develop virtual camera app which bypass Android camera? There's a developer who developed it, but now it is not available. But also a lot of people modified that app and selling with keys. I have to check Yogo. I'll check it. Kamal Thakur, bro, how much revenue you make from YouTube? Not much. अभी तक तो कुछ भी नहीं. Zero. YouTube makes you. What sort of English is that? In his grave. See, Ibrahim, it's fine. Like, you don't have to make, make fun of anybody's English. English is just a language. As long as I can understand his idea with whatever he's communicating, I think that's fine. English is just a language. Look, since when YouTube is making Abhishek? It's fine, guys. Don't make fun of anybody's English. I understand what he was trying to say. So that's fine. McDonald, ask ChatGPT mentioned 5 negative things about me. ChatGPT hates me. Okay, got it. No design changes. Theme supported added. Below is a nothing else touched. Okay, copy this. Lokesh, $100 done. Not yet. What is SaaS? SaaS is software as a service. Come on. No. Okay, now booking page. It's my booking page. Yup. If I go here and comment this, and till what time you will stream today? It depends. Till what time? Until which time we are able to push. That's what matters. Because I don't watch time when I'm streaming. I just do it until my job is done for today. We'll keep doing it. Okay. Now if I come, now let's see how it looks. अरे भाई इसको क्या दिक्कत है भाई जीपीटी व्हाट द हेल इज रॉन्ग विथ यू गजब का आदमी है भाई ये इसको हटा यहाँ से इसको इधर से हटा इसको हटा इसको इसका रिमूव दिस कोड जस्ट डोंट लाइक दिस व्हाट आई कैन डू इज just remove this part and what we can do is here Waleed भाई क्लॉड क्यों नहीं यूज करता क्लॉड आई इट इज माई ब्रह्मास्त्र लाइक इट इज माई आई यूज इट ओनली व्हेन समथिंग कैन नॉट बी डन विद जीपीटी एंड जेमिनी देन वी गो टू क्लॉड व्हाट डू प्रिफर चैट जीपीटी क्लॉड जेमिनी और कोपायलट see I prefer claude can solve most of the work that I have faced so claude Lokesh what is this hype feature I don't know understand the hype feature Ibrahim Mohsin sarcasm Abhishek sarcasm not bullying that's fine see you don't know how can someone take a sarcasm maybe with this comment his confidence get affected right so like I know, like if you were friends, like if you see, I will understand your sarcasm because we have been talking to each other like on chat only, but for a while, right? But like, why do you demotivate anyone? McDonald, will you buy cloud services for your SaaS? Yes, Lokesh. मैं क्या अच्छा बच्चा हूँ कमाल ठाकुर मे बी समथिंग लाइक दिस यू शुड ट्राई क्लॉड ओके लोकेश आपके वीडियो में दैट हाइप फीचर था हाइप फीचर ओके मेरे को आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दैट फीचर मे बी हाइप लाइक वॉट एवर हेल्प्स इट्स नो समथिंग sometimes write coding results is over engineering and confuses them yep okay so we have this what is the issue refresh it is looking like this what we can do is just this part we are having this hold on from the old code base we have this just a sec okay header okay real Rahul which technology we're using Pawn Stack Joker do this apply styles on dark theme dark text white dark text white okay so if I go to my dashboard layout okay that is fine we got this but I need this part this I'm not liking I was liking the previous one so here Ibrahim Moshin got it Abhishek yeah sure Ibrahim Ghost Strike official wow nice we are doing the same that's nice Ghost Strike Nightbot if you hate me real Rahul app development related topics to visit channel app development there's this YouTube channel called Not Just Dev you can see that Joker Phoenix class name text black dark text white okay we'll see that attorney even the search icon is misplaced search icon yeah we'll fix those things attorney yeah Cylon H भैया are you looking for a job no I'm not looking for a job वली फ्रंट एंड खुद बनाया फ्रंट एंड तो मैंने एआई यूज किया है लोकेश Agent Vector 22 भाई how old are you I'm 25 years old Lokesh he's 25 yep let's go to Gemini I am giving you a code I'm giving you the code your job is to just make it support theme toggle theme. Exactly. We just need to replace the hard coded part. That's it. Ijen, cool man. Thanks, Ijen. Silon H, are you free? Are you freelancing and handling clients project? Right now, I'm not taking any more freelancing projects. Lokesh, don't worry, Abhishek. It will reply to some questions. I know everything. Okay. Ijen, thanks, Lokesh. Thanks a lot. Ijen, bhai, slight off topic. Just turned 20. I'm tier 1 college, but very depressed. I don't know where life is going. Any advice? Don't have a girlfriend. Don't even care about having a girlfriend right now. Just focus on your skills. Tier 1 college, that's nice. But very depressed. Why are you depressed? What made you depressed? Lokesh. Okay. Add this, copy this, and now this has been muted, commented out. And if I go here, and if we come here, and here, if I comment out this one, put this, and add this, put this here, and yeah, if we add this, and now if we see how it looks, see, now it looks better. Now it looks much better. It looks much better. We have to fix this one. We have to fix this button. We'll fix it. Okay, fine. And here, bookings, no bookings, copy booking. Okay, we have this copy booking link. Fine. Ghost Strike official. I'm using Nest.js, Docker, AWS, Fargate for my SaaS. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, Nest.js is actually much more well structured. Attorney, yeah, Abhishek can definitely give tips regarding GF. Which be? Okay, fine. So bookings is going on, but the thing is, with the search icon. Search icon. We have this input search. What if I remove this? Why it is like that? Okay, and this left three, left three. We have to here also. Why it is not here? Okay, search icon. Search. We are getting. Where are we getting the search from? Search, search, search. Search. Okay. H4 W width 4. What if I remove this translate part? Search clients. What if I remove this search button entirely? Remove the search. You have this no search button, but I just add a search here. How it looks. Okay, and here. Okay, okay, fine. I just need this thing, this class name absolute. Okay, add this search here, and add this class name part here. Add this class name part, and let's comment this one. Make it absolute. Okay, it is going behind that. We don't need the absolute part. Remove this. Remove this and remove the absolute part. Okay, hold on, we need the absolute part. And Z 100. Okay, then top. Okay, H4 width 4. Okay. Okay, Abhishek, you can Abhishek can code a website for her is her. Okay, I don't know. Wasted 3 years of college doing nothing. Attorney Abhishek can code a website for her and raise her. Lokesh, Abhishek bro, you can pull baddies and cuties with your singing skills. Cooking. I don't know cooking. Took like I don't know singing also. Fire free urges. Okay. Miro, do you plan making money with this SaaS? Yes, Miro, my plan is to monetize the SaaS. We have a freemium model as well as a subscription based model. We are going to go with, uh, like in the freemium model, the platform is going to take 8% of the transaction, each booking transaction. And in the free model, we are going to charge a particular amount and there will be zero transaction fees. Ghost Strike. I found amazing thing today in Cloudflare. R2 is free for 10 GB. Okay, that's nice. Still or Cylon H, Drizzle or Prisma, which is better? ORM. I go with Prisma. वलीद दूसरे स्क्रीन क्यों नहीं यूज करते आई हैव ओनली वन स्क्रीन आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग लैपटॉप रियलमी ब्रो कुछ खाने भी खा लिया करो थोड़ा ब्रेक लेके ओके रियलमी ओके हाइड्रेशन टाइम अभिषेक थोड़ी देर में इटर्नी जस्ट अ सेक so we are getting this here but the thing is I think from top it is too much from top is it is too much okay make it top one 2 3 4 yeah 4 looks nice search maybe make it 5 4 4 no 4.5 4.5 4.5 yeah 4.5 yeah this okay organization this one if I go to bookings we have the bookings yep okay bro quest ले लो question ले लो hygiene vector what is the question can you repeat your question okay so this part is done okay now integration part is almost fine only okay make this theme ready as well page.tsx Neo 4 was perfect no 4 was perfect okay 4 we have to go with 4 okay I don't know wasted 3 years of college doing nothing 2 years I don't really have any solid skill developed seeing people around landing internships have app Node.js I don't know man pick one either go with web development or go with AIML and stick to one if you're going with web development as it is easier to start pick JavaScript learn JavaScript then learn React learn HTML CSS then get into backend with either go with Express Node React Node MongoDB and build projects Misty Rovgarth. Hello Misty, welcome to the stream. Did you plan migration to other backend frameworks when you eventually fail? I don't think we'll fail with this backend framework because like we are trying to write a solid backend and we are going with Node.js. So Node.js is highly scalable if you know how to scale it. Lokesh Abhishek bro doesn't pull girls. Gravity pulls them too. Okay, Ijen. And what to do if going the AIML route? If you want to go with AIML route, start with Python. Learn Python properly. Then after that, get into next thing should be to learn NumPy pandas and PyTorch. Then get into machine learning. Okay. Theme ready. Sorry. Okay. Copy this booking page. Okay. Not booking page. Hold on. A booking page. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see how it looks. No, I don't like this. Remove this one. Yep. But the thing is how it looks in here. Okay, but here it is looking like this. Okay, so here, yeah, remove this. This is not good. Remove this. Okay, put this here. This and add this. Yeah, this looks better. Visual manual. How is deep learning, bro? People say need to know math. What do you feel? See, in deep learning, you know a bit of advanced maths like partial differentiation, standardization, normalization, logarithm. I'll never let my girl watch a okay, attorney. H, HX. Do you prefer PHP Laravel? See, I have used Coordinator, which is a PHP framework. See, PHP is good, but the thing is, now it is in downfall trend. Like the use case of PHP is not increasing; it is going downfall. So eventually, maybe people will stop using it because like people are shifting to different tech stack like Python-based tech stack or JavaScript-based tech stack. So people are avoid like new freshers are not going to going with PHP. And second reason is that startups are the future companies, right? And startups usually either go with Python based tech stack or Mern based tech stack, no, JavaScript based tech stack. Okay, Joker Phoenix on the booking page, add this style to search icon top one. Okay, top 1 by 2 translated by. Okay, only if I know math. Should I learn? See, you can learn math even if you're not confident with math right now. You can learn math. It's not so difficult. This is my integration page. Okay, close this, and we'll go to the integrations page. Integrations. Okay, we have this. Page.tsx. Make Lokesh, attorney, I will never get Abhishek as main lead cause he will win all awards. Okay, we have this integration page, right? Now if we come here, let's first comment this part. We'll go here. Now let's see what we get. Okay, if I go here and if we go with integrations, connect. But why is this lame black part? I don't need this black box. What I can do is in this card content, where is it? BG background. Okay. Why is there a weird black color? Because I had got a text on No, I mean just a sec. बेकार है भाई, इसको हटा यहाँ से. What I need here is just I need this integration to be white. So what I can do is operations. Okay, we have this here. Google Calendar. Where is it? Google Calendar. Text font bold. Uh-huh. Okay. So here we need text white, dark, text white. Okay. Yeah, here we have this. Remove this. Just remove this and everything is fine. Yep. Yeah. Payouts. BG foreground. Okay. This payments part payout. This. This is my code. Make this support theme. Don't make any UI changes. Just make it support theme by not using hard coded colors. Okay. Misty Rovgarth, Misty, I'm curious about your scaling strategy. Since Node.js is single threaded, how do you plan to handle CPU intensive operations which require without blocking the. Will you socket? Will you socket if either you will use messaging queues, so that for example we are using messaging queues where we need to give email. For that we can use messaging queues, and then in that messaging queues we can get more than like a different concurrency support as well in messaging queues using BullMQ. So that's one quick solution I can think about. Okay. In my opinion, design UX is top priority. That is a key difference in conversion, in my opinion. Yes, exactly. Actually, the landing page and the UI needs to look very professional. UI and landing page. These are the two main things in the front end part that is going to convert our customers. That's why actually I'm giving efforts, like even we are using AI for the front end part, but I'm being very particular about the AI, how it looks. Okay. HX. Good debug. Thanks, HX. Web workers. Yep. Tazzer. Why you wipe code? You don't know how to debug. Yes, I know how to debug, but with wipe coding, like for the front end part, I usually don't like to invest my time in front end. But we have to do it because it's SaaS, so that's why I use AI in the front end part mostly. So you have payout, payout, payout. Yep. Here, remove this. You don't need this. That's the main thing. And account. So this and if I come here, this, and let's see how it looks. What the hell? Okay. Interesting. Nice. Edit account. Completed. Completed. Okay. Okay. How to get placed in OpenAI? I don't know, man. Jewel manual. Only if I know math, I should learn deep learning. No, See, you don't have to be expert in math. You just need to know basics of math, like theoretical maths, basically, so that you can understand the what is gradient descent, then what is normalization, what is standardization, what is partial differentiation, so that you can understand these terms. You have to know about maths a bit. Tell Sama that you hate Elon Musk. He will hire you. Okay, Sam. Okay, I hate maths. Okay, we have this. Then we have the billing part. Billing part. We have to work on that. Joker. Good night, bro. See you tomorrow. Good night, Joker Phoenix, and thanks for joining the stream. We have this and payouts, dashboard, organization, services. We have this. Okay. Okay. Payouts and billing. Now we have to work on the billing part. Attorney, so that I maths soon. Oh, gotta refresh my mind now. It's done for now. Now what we need? The billing part. Front end, app, dashboard, billing page. Yeah. This is my page.tsx. Matt Don. Maths is altogether a different high. Okay. Mm-hmm. Good night, chat. Good night, Attorney. And thanks for joining the stream, brother. It's like this. Here. This. Yeah, it looks better. Right. We have this. We have this. Scale your business, not your fees. Okay. We have this now. And okay, so most of the things are done. Now we have to fix the some small minute details. Fine. Okay. So now if I come here, this we have. Fine. We have service page. Okay, we have this. Okay, so now in my front end we have, first I need to make this, and by default I want it to be dark theme. If I refresh, for example, if I close this, and if I come here, localhost 3000, and if I go here, test user2@gmail.com. Macdon, could you suggest some good and unique projects to make Spring Boot? For Spring Boot, usually go for enterprise level application like learning management systems. Uh, what else? E-commerce applications. Gmail.com. We have this. What is the issue here? Encounter script tag while recurring. Okay. But I want, by default, I want the dark theme. Just a second, guys. I'll drink water. Hold on. MacDon, but YouTubers say building an e-commerce application is useless these days. But see, it is nothing is useless if you are building an e-commerce application on your own. It is a good application, but you have to do it on your own. That's the main thing. And Spring Boot, usually if you are going for Spring Boot, you are going to target MNCs. And inside MNCs, enterprise level applications are made. Maybe you can go with a banking system management with a Spring Boot. That's a good project. Okay, so we have dashboard. Then we have layout. Hold on, where is it? Layout. And here we have dashboard layout dark attribute class enable system MacDon. Yes, banking system management seems good. Yep. What if I make it light? Close this and let's go here again. Test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 2 login. Now we are getting this, but why are we getting this issue? Which line? Theme provider and layout. Theme provider. Okay, so we are getting this here inside this theme provider, right? Okay, let's try to do this. Come here and put it inside, and here put it like this. Okay, close this. If we come here, localhost 3000, register. Now if we log in here, test user 2 at the rate gmail.com, test user 2 login. Why are we getting this issue? Script tag. While running React component scripts, inside React components are never executed when rendering on the client. Inside a template tag instead. Okay. Script anonymous. Okay, fine. Let's go to navbar. Navbar mounted, set mounted. Okay, so mounted roof node return null. You please. Did you even read the issue? What was the error? Yep, it is saying that there is this script tag while rendering. So that's what we are trying to see. Which line? Theme provider and layout. So if I go to my theme provider, layout and components, we have here theme provider. Yep, we have this from next themes. Okay, React import star as React from React component time river. Next themes provider props children. Okay. Search for script tag. Let's see, hold on. Script tag. Here, either here we don't have a script tag. And in layout, do we have a script tag? No. This thing we can just copy this here and paste it here. Okay, but that is not the issue. Theme provider, no. Layout, No. Theme provider, no. But in navbar, where's my navbar? General navbar. Script. Script, no result. Okay. Fine. Can you go back to stack tree shown in on logs? There you will get one solution. Bro, BCA plus ethical hacking course, is it worth it in future? BCA plus ethical hacking. Okay, just a sec. Hold on, I answer that question. Just give me a minute. Localhost 3000. Register. Login. Test user 2 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 2. Log into dashboard. Now this is the issues. Script anonymous. Okay. Create console error. Node mod. Okay. Console or okay. Script anonymous. Theme provider. Return next and static. Okay, not here. Layout. Okay. Let's see. Front end components theme provider. Nathan, what are you going to be using to host? Backend DigitalOcean, front end Vercel. This is my code. Theme provider.tsx. We have this theme provider. Then here we have the dashboard layout. Components, app, dashboard, layout. Okay, here we have app. Bro, can you explain how refresh token works? See, when your access token is expired, refresh token is used to get a new access token, and then access token is passed, to get the authentication, to get authorized. App slash dashboard slash page.tsx. Hold on. Not page, it is layout. Layout.tsx. Okay. Then this is my navbar. Where's my navbar? Components, general, navbar. Navbar.tsx. This is my navbar.tsx. I am getting this error. Where is the error? Here's this error. Fine. One solution. Thanks for the emoji. One solution. It is thinking. You didn't break your design. This error is coming from Next themes. Works internally, not your UI. Next theme install a script tag. Okay. But next app provider, especially turbo pack rendering scripts. Okay. Theme provider inside dashboard layout can trigger. Okay. The real issue. You're using theme provider inside dashboard layout. That is not the correct place. There must be app layout. But okay. App layout. But I don't want to change the theme of my landing page as well from my dashboard. Remove theme provider dashboard layout. Okay. No, I did it correctly. This prevents hydration mismatch. Some okay. Not here, but I want to change the theme of only my my dashboard. You place theme should be global. Yes, I know theme should be global, but what I want is that I don't want from a dashboard, I don't want the theme of landing page to change. I only want the theme of this dashboard to change. Right? Basically, if this is the dashboard and this is the landing page, I don't want this theme to change. So yeah, got it. You want theme only inside dashboard, but what are trying? Okay, okay. Without breaking your design, you can still dashboard only theme, but it looks like okay. Keep theme raw in the root mandatory. Okay. Then inside your dashboard layout, okay, got it, got it, got it, got it. Then wrap your dashboard UI, dashboard layout. Okay, got it. Fine. What we can do is in the dashboard layout, we can copy, cut this, and go to app layout. And here, getting this. Next theme, this is done. Then we are having this theme provider, remove this part. Okay. Then here, just a sec, we're getting this, remove this. See, that changed. Okay, local 3000. First, let's go to register. See, this entire thing is changing. We have to fix this one. This is why I wanted to change that. Test user 2 @gmail.com. Test user 2 login. Now we are not getting this. Okay. You place. Why do we need refresh tokens? We need refresh tokens. See, access token maybe your access token expires after 2 days. Then you don't want again the user to get logged out. What we do is that to get a new access token, we use our refresh token. Maybe refresh token expires after 2 months. So and refresh token is stored in a database with the user, right? So that refresh token we exchange and then we get a new access token. One solution, bro. BCA or ethical hacking course is worth in future. It depends, like if you are able to do it properly, because no course will entirely change your life. It depends on how you use it. It's done. Then this dashboard theme wrapper. Close this. Come here. Okay. Make it light only. Okay, fine. We have components. Dashboard theme wrapper.tsx. Okay, can't wait for Saturday stream. Okay. सार्थक ब्रो स्पीक इन हिंदी. हाँ सार्थक बोलो. सवाल हिंदी में पूछो, मैं हिंदी में आंसर दूंगा. RAFCE फाइन. This is my okay. Theme wrapper. Here we are taking children as a prop, children, and this will be of type children of type react dot React Node. Then here we have const set theme equals use theme from next themes. Lokesh, chalo, I will sleep bro. Good night. Good night, Lokesh, and thanks for joining the stream. Then we have the use theme part, and then here we have use effect. Then inside use effect we are making set theme to dark. Then we are passing the set theme. Okay, and then we are returning, simply return empty fragments and wrap the child inside. Children, basically children here. Fine. What is the issue? This issue. Okay, children. अरे स्किन का children. Fine. Atharv, how many years of coding experience you have, and how many years since your graduation? See, I have been coding when I was in class 11, when I was 16 to 16 or 27, 16 or 17 years old. Then from 2020, I started web development, and now I'm 25 years old, and I completed my BTech in 2023. Vedant, bro, what your common thoughts on online BS programs in data science and application from IIT Madras or other IITs? Okay. See, online programs, like if you want to do BSc or like bachelor's or anything, offline is much better in my opinion, because the degree has more value in offline mode. Okay, wrap your dashboard. We have this. Then front end components, theme provider, app layout, make it light, yes. Then app dashboard layout, then we have this dashboard theme wrapper, and add this. Fine. Now close this. Now let's see. Localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. We are going here. What the hell is this? Seriously, in this in my app layout part, we have kept it dark. If I come here now, if I go localhost 3000 dark, what if I make it light, light? Go here, login, test user2 @gmail.com, test user2, login. We have this. If I go here, see, what the hell is this? I mean, dark or light, theme provider, BG background, wrap dashboard wrapper, okay, dashboard wrapper, BG background. Have this now. It was better when it was going in that way. Fine. So we can make either the login and register form as that way. This is my code. App slash layout.tsx. App slash dashboard slash layout.tsx. College, Vedant. Bro, I'm confused about taking admission to college. Like, is it better to do this program or doing BTech from a tier 3 or mid tier 2? Okay. What's your end goal? You want a job or you want to start something of your own? What's your end goal, Vedant? Then maybe I can, guide you better. Then this is my front end components theme provider. This is my theme provider.tsx. Theme provider.tsx. My dashboard theme wrapper. Dashboard theme wrapper.tsx. Dashboard theme wrapper. Dashboard theme wrapper, we have this, and after this dashboard theme wrapper, and uske baad what we have, dashboard theme wrapper, and then we have dashboard theme wrapper, and then we have navbar, general navbar, navbar.tsx. Vedant, yeah, like build strong portfolio and getting job maybe for short term goal. Okay, so if you're going for job, see, online degrees are online degrees. See, many people do this, like what is that called? NPTL. From like IIT teachers will teach you from NPTL, right? But still, NPTL is fine, but still you have to have skills if you need job. So online courses are still online courses unless and until you are going into NITs or IITs. Then if you are going to tier 2 to tier 3 college for BTech, you have to be very skilled. That's the only difference. You have to be skilled. So if you are considering BTech with tier 2 tier 3 college, that's fine. Even I am from a tier 2 college, but you have to be skilled. You have to be very skilled. And in tier 3 companies don't come to you. You have to go to companies for job. Fix the theme toggle issue. It is just dark theme and I am not able to turn it to light theme. If you want app light dashboard dark theme, wrap dashboard or theme provider. Theme provider. Give me the full code. Shivank 9001. Hello Shivank, welcome to the stream. Bro, can I build a website with help of AI? Yeah, you can do that, but you have to understand the code because AI will just make the basic version, but to make it production grade, you have to use your own skills as well. You have to mix both. App layout. global theme light, component theme provider, fine, delete this file, theme wrapper, theme provider, theme provider, okay, got it. You're using a theme provider again. Fine. So what are we doing? We are basically in the dash app layout part. We have this theme provider. Copy this again, and again inside the dashboard we have dashboard and we have layout. Then this is again, remove this, add this, and copy this and make it dark here, and remove this and put it here. Now if we go here, remove this, localhost 3000. Okay, relax. App layout, this will be dark. Log out. Optional, enable system false. Okay, inside here, where is it? Dashboard layout, here false, enable system should be false. Enable system should be false. False. Fine. It's not working like this. No man, I did not want it like this. Okay, go here, 3000. Close this. Let's restart it. npm run dev. Shivank. Okay, thanks for the info, bro. Welcome, Shivank. Vedant. Bro, I know I am taking your time, but my last question, if you are in my place, what you choose, this online program from IIT Madras or BTech CSE from private 2 or 3 college? BTech CSE from private tier 3 college. Syed Hassan. Are you doing some job or something? I had a job. I left my job 2 months back. Right now, I had a job. I used to work in a service-based company as a Spring Boot developer. I left my job. So, yeah. This thing. System. Light. Make it light. gmail.com, test user 2, login. We have this. Now we have this. Now if I close, and now if we go and close this and npm run dev. Now if I go localhost 3000, we get this. We go here, test user 2 as a gmail.com, test user 2, fine. We have this. So what we can do is, in app we have light, here we have dark, here we have dark, fine. Now if I come here, localhost 3000, register, login, test user 2 at the rate gmail.com, test user 2, invalid test user 2. Okay, I need test user 2, fine. Welcome back. If I go here, this, and if I go here, I don't want to change the main theme. Sarthak, why did you left your job? Because I wanted to build my own SaaS, and it was a service-based company, so there was no work-life balance, and I was not able to work on my SaaS and my startup, so I left it. सैयद हसन, मेरा पोर्टफोलियो देखा, अभी तक तो नहीं देखा, कोडिंग सेशन के बाद देखेंगे. अथर्व पाठक, विच लैंग्वेज आर यू यूजिंग फॉर बैकएंड? अथर्व, आई एम यूजिंग टाइपस्क्रिप्ट. Costa, hey bro, love from Brazil. Will you work again in corporate? Costa, see, I want to work in startup. Even if I want to, even if I get a job offer, I would like to work in a startup. I would like to work in a startup. So yeah, we have this. Now if I go here, see this is changing, but here I don't need this. Here enable system, make it false. If I come here, change this also changing. Okay. Okay, so here we are doing this, but see, everything else is fine. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. I have this now. NAS 27. Which language is more easier to understand, JavaScript or TypeScript? Actually, TypeScript is built on top of JavaScript. So if you want to get into TypeScript, you first need to learn JavaScript. Saja drives. Hello Saja, welcome to the stream. क्या मुझे ये कोड मिल सकता है पूरा? I want to change something. It's really amazing. See, code is available in my GitHub. If you go to my GitHub, this is the MVP version. That's why the code is available. Once the before launching and before making it production grade, like production grade, I mean, like I'll be tweaking it a bit so that we can make it for better than our competitors. So for that, I'll be tweaking it. Right now, the code is available. It's this is the repository, appointment booking SaaS. So and repository, my GitHub link is in the description of the stream. So we have this here. This is my code. Slash the stream health fine. How is the stream health? Yeah, it is fine. Okay. We have this. And guys, the like target is 100 likes. Make sure you like the stream and we complete the target. Okay, so we have this. This is my code. Layout dot tsx app slash dashboard slash layout.tsx. We have this here. Apollo Blueprint. Hello Apollo, welcome to the stream. How much time it might take to learn TypeScript if I know JavaScript on average? If you know JavaScript, I learned TypeScript in one day. It's actually very easy. TypeScript is very easy. There's no extra feature, just type safety is there. So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing and you can catch error beforehand and a lot more features. Exactly. What do you think about freelancing? I'm a freelancer. I work as a freelancing, I work as a freelancer as well. The last project I delivered was 1 week ago, and right now I'm not accepting any more freelancing jobs because right now I want to focus on my startup. Costa, so right now you're only into building SaaS or preparing something as well? Right now I'm only focusing on building my SaaS and building my startup, and during my daytime I learn deep learning. Okay, so there are few things you can change, need to get along with it. Okay. Yep, Atharva, only one day. Where are you from? I'm from West Bengal, India. We have this. We have this thing, and then this is components, and this is my theme provider. Theme provider.tsx. This is my navbar.tsx, navbar components, general navbar. This is the now I want that only the dashboard theme is toggled. Athara Patel, do you know the cricketer Abhishek Sharma? What's your view on his batting? He's a very good T20 player, and everybody, like, even when someday he has a bad day, but still, like, I like his batting. He's very explosive. Theme provider, dark. One theme provider, fine. Enable step to control dashboard theme manually. Set dashboard theme. Okay. Dashboard layout. Okay. Navbar. Remove use theme and use props. Okay. Navbar. Okay. If you want persistence, let's do one thing. Keep it simple. Keep it keep it simple and close this. Where is my layout? Layout. Enable system. Enable system. Layout and dashboard layout. Keep it like this. Yeah, keep it like this and close this. Localhost 3000. I have to just make it better. Test user 2 login. Fine. You have this 3000. You have this. Yeah, this is better. Fine. I love Abhishek Sharma plays for my team. He will mature with time. Exactly. So your target is freelancing for Indian people or foreign? Both. You can use session based also if you want to persist. Okay. See, it is already persisting. It is already persisting here. Okay, so we have this and hold on. We have this and yeah. Close this. Localhost 3000. Go here. We have to fix this one. This is the register page.tsx. Close this. Front end app auth register page. The register form.tsx. Where I see your freelancing projects, I'm new in, so much confused. See, basically, the projects that one of the projects was Opus project that I did, and it was like that is the one major project that I did, and Baki ka projects was like small businesses that I did. GG, bro, how to get a first client or gig as a freelancer? See, I never used Upwork or Fiverr. Whatever freelancing I did from like I use my own network, my friends, families, relatives. I told them that I'm doing this, and if they have anyone in mind who can use my service, please let me know. That's how I did. To make register form theme, I have replaced hardware slate. Okay. Register form. Okay. Form. Come here. This is my register form. Put this here. I have this. What is this issue? Front end, app, auth, login page. This is the login page. Page.tsx login form.tsx login form. Login form. Yep. So if I go here, test user2@gmail.com, test user2, login to dashboard. Now if I come here, localhost 3000, and if I go here and do this, it looks like this. If I do this, अरे इसकी तो मैं इधर जा, I do this, it looks like this. I do this, it looks like this. Login, I do this, it looks like this. Fine. And in here also, here email address, invalid email address. Okay, fine. We have this. Okay, fine. So this is working. Fine. This is done. This is done. Components, register form. Okay. Paras, from bro, where are you learning deep learning from? Campus X YouTube channel. There's a YouTube channel called Campus X. I'm learning from there. I have this, and then this is the login form. This is the login form. Close this, and just one sec, I need to check one more thing. If this is my PG admin, I need to check the entire thing. Leo, hi Abhishek. Why are you still up? We are working on the register dark theme part. Like basically we are we are working on the dark theme part here. Dark mode basically. Login, test user2 at the rate. Basically let's go with test user11 at the rate gmail.com. Test user11 login. So we have implemented the dark theme, and at organization part, services, dental cleanup, fine, availability, bookings, integrations. Let's delete this integration. or let's do this. Connect, connect, continue, continue, continue. So this has been done. Organization. Now let's services. Let's create an online service. Executive coaching call. One on one executive coaching call for students. 60 minutes. Price 12 3 and 8 389. Online launch service. This service has been launched, right? And if I go here, copy this, and if I go to localhost slash booking slash this, if I send this, this is it. And if I click this, then select a we have to fix this. Okay, we have to fix this. You are still energetic. That's impressive about you. Thanks. So we have to fix this one also. We'll fix it. Available times. Okay, we have to create available times as well. For example, let's make it 9 to 5, and let's make it from for all the days except Saturday, Sundays. And now if I see, there's no booking, right? There's no booking. And if I refresh, now we have this. Just a sec. Let's make this as well. Hold on. Before we do all of this, this is the public booking page. I watches your stream in my free time, and honestly, it is gold mine. I'm also making something from past 1 month, but the way you work is truly appreciable. Thanks, Dumb Blast Day. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. It means a lot. It's my public booking page. So front end app booking page. This is my app slash booking slash org slug slash page.tsx. Okay, hold on. .tsx. Put this. Then here we have dashboard. Page. We have this page. Hold on. We have this page here. And components. We need to go to components. Public booking page components. This is the booking form. This is the booking form.tsx. Okay, yep. This is the date picker. This is the date picker.tsx. Yep. Then this is the service list. This is the service list.tsx. Okay. Then this is the slot pick. And this is the slot picker.tsx. We have this, and okay, there we go. Where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Here. Okay. Refile the file. Okay. Booking page. Service list. Slot booking form. Hold on. First, go with date picker. What is it? Date picker. Yep. Go to date picker. Comment it. Put it like this. Now, if we come here, the date picker. Come here. This is the date picker. Date picker is done. And then we have this. What is this? This is my booking form, right? So first, we copy it from here to here. The booking form. Here to here. Then after this, my handle submit part. Yeah, line number 16, handle submit options. This, copy this, paste it, then uncomment it. Fine. Then after this part, just copy the return part. Just copy this return part. Copy this here to here. We have this, and now if we come here, it is refreshing, set loading. Yep, we come here, we have this, and after this, this is done. Okay, this is done. Then we have this slot picker. Then we have this slot picker here. This, then put this here. This is the slot picker, and yes, we have this available times. Okay, slot picker. Fine. We have this slot picker. And then we have service list. Then we have the service list. Service list part. Yes, we have the service list part. This is the service list. Copy this. Select 15th. Yeah, we have to service list part. And after service list part, okay, yeah. So now we have this. Now, okay. Then after the service list part, we have the we have the page, main page, booking page. Now put it here and save it. We have this. Now it looks like this. So come here, select a date, go here, come here, okay, service, save changes, refresh this 16th, 12th, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Mitenjik Sharma, confirm and pay. Razor Pay is opening. UPI, make it success at the Razor Pay, verify and pay. It is paying. Payment is getting confirmed. Now will redirect me. No, booking confirmed. So now if I come here and go to the booking part, we have Mahendra Singh Dhoni part. And now if I check my email, just a sec, I'll check my email. If I check my email, I should get a email. Yes, we have received an email. We have received an email. Yeah, see, we have received an email. This one, hello Abhishek, hello Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Your booking execution, fine. So this part is working. Google integration is working. Fine. This is working. Here we are doing this. This is working, and this is the booking page. Fine, it looks great. It looks great here and here. And yep, this is it. Things, for example, if you test user 2, test user 2, organization 2, test user 2, organization, bookings, organization 2, bookings, payouts, organizations, test user 4, bookings, this one, organization 4, bookings, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And for this bookings, we have this. Okay, integrations, payouts, billing, active pro plan, and this is my test user 2, and this was of test user 2. Okay, organization 4. Yup, fine. Just a sec. We have this. Hold on, we have this. Yep, we can come here, service list, put this here, and here we have this part. I'll show you the email that we got. Just a sec, I'll show you the email again because I forgot to share my screen, I think. So when we booked, we got this email. When we booked, we got this email. See, hello, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. We are booking for this. We are getting this email, and the link is also working. See, link has been scheduled. Meeting has been scheduled. We have to fix this date wala part. Date part we have to fix. We'll fix it. So yeah, it is like this. Here it is like this. Okay, fine. It is working absolutely fine. Just make one more with a light mode. If I come here and let's make it with a light mode. Go with 22nd, 12:45. Abhishek Sharma. This confirm and pay. UPI. This one. Success as a razor pay. Verify and pay. It is going. We are getting this. Now if I come here, go to bookings, we have this 2 bookings, and yeah, now it is working fine. So we have implemented this part. Just a sec. Here if I go, we have this one here. Close this, close this, close this. We have this, close this, and here we have this, close this. Fine. Now okay, now just in the front end components, general nav bar, here in the button, this button, just make it cursor pointer. Fine, just make this. What is this issue? Date picker. Okay, components, public booking page, date picker. Yeah, here I have this issue. Fine, we have this. Okay, fine. Here we have to fix this part. Coaching call, and here it is looking like this. Okay, if I log out, fine, this is done, and here we're getting this booking confirmed. All of this is done. Here, close this, close this, close this, and here if I go, Ibrahim Hossein, you added an S in the beg. Yes, I solved that, Ibrahim Hossein. Now let's see what you sent in the Discord. If we go here, Discord, Vivek, okay, DevForge, where in the feedback part, Shadow Monarch. It's a local server, so I've added the IP for anyone who doubts it. Neural chat node. Okay, okay. कोई मुझे अनपढ़ को भी बता दो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है. ओके, स्पर्श क्लिक. ओके, फाइन. ये ब्लेड वर्क एक्स. ओके, स्टार्ट हियर. This is income feedback. Sorry. Okay, we have this. Vivek. We have this here. What are we having in X? Let's see what is going on in Twitter. We have this. Close this. Yes, close this. Close this as well. This as well. First, let's make a git commit here. Dark mode, light toggle, implemented dark slash mode and light mode. Dark mode feature in the application. Commit it, then push the code. So we have pushed the code. Code has been pushed. So if I go to my GitHub, quick cache free. Okay, only if you understand Tesla model this and next. Okay, inventory order it now if you want one. Okay, Tanya Tanay Kothari. Okay, Ibrahim Osi. Okay, Abhishek, good night, dude. That is Bladework, our very own AI chatbot that works in Bladework V2. That's UI. It's a cybersec specialization AI. Okay, Ibrahim, how did you build it? And good night, Ibrahim Mosi, and thanks for joining the stream. And when you get time, do explain me how you built it, like entire tech stack if possible. Ibrahim Mosin, have a good night, good sleep. Signing off. Good night, Ibrahim Mosin, and thanks for joining the stream. Anything going on here extra? Okay, fine, nothing interesting in Twitter. If we go here, repository, and here if I go and if I see my code, Google link completed. Okay, implement dark mode, fine. Components, navbar, general, navbar, फाइन. ओके, अभी बेस्ट क्या है सीखना? सीखना के लिए समझ नहीं, फुल स्टैक करूँ, डेटा एनालिस्ट करूँ, सीखने में है MCA सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ. गाइड मी. Asaja, like you want to get a job. For job you want to prepare, right? Or you want to build your own something like SaaS or something. You have this. So here we have implemented the dark mode. Here we have implemented the dark mode successfully, right? So make authentication stronger, complete the dashboard page and components, implement the payout feature. Okay, fine. So these things we have done. All right. Sarthak, can AI take over coding jobs in next 10 years? Human supervision will be required. Like simple junior level coding, it might get replaced, but senior level coding is not going to get replaced. Like we need AI is like a driver. Even if AI is driving your car, you need to keep your eyes on the road to see if AI is driving the car properly or not, right? So जॉब और जॉब नहीं बेस्ट हो क्या जॉब और जो भी बेस्ट छोटा भाई की तरह गाइड मी ब्रो आई एम सो कंफ्यूज सी द इजिएस्ट वे टू गेट इनटू द टेक इंडस्ट्री इज वेब डेव right because in web dev you can do DSA see I will suggest you pick one web dev tech stack either go with Mon stack or Java based tech stack Python based tech stack then for example if you pick JavaScript based tech stack like Mon stack or Pon stack do DSA with JavaScript 1 or 2 questions every single day don't give 6 to 8 hours to DSA that is not required just give 1 or 2 hours to DSA every single day and then rest of the day learn the tech stack if you are learning Mon stack learn Mon stack and then build projects that's what you need to do and when you build projects make it such that it looks like a product right that's how your project should look like only then you will get hired that's it okay alright everyone I'll wrap up now and thanks for joining the stream if you enjoyed the stream do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like that like target is 100 likes so make sure we achieve the like target and if you enjoyed the stream do consider subscribing to the channel and I'll see you in the next stream until then take care of yourself nothing hey bro hello nothing welcome to the stream so alright everyone I'll wrap up now thanks for joining the stream and yeah do like the stream and subscribe and I'll see you in the next stream until then take care of yourself